How to share a project on CapCut PC. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Now to start off, launch a CapCut in your PC and make sure that all of the edit has been done in your CapCut project. So right here, if you wish to share your edited video across the platform, it can be done pretty easily with just simple click. Starting off, at the very top, you will see the share option. You need to click on it. After which you can go ahead and rename the file. Now to select the space in which you want to share, just tap on the drop down icon. Over here, you will find some of the platform where you can directly share your video. You can sign in using your TikTok credential and directly upload or share the video in your TikTok. You can also use the QR code if you want to share it with an individual. If you want to share it in your Facebook, go ahead and sign in using your Facebook, or you can connect with the Google in order to share in any of the Google platform. Once you have selected the platform or the space, now it is time to edit out the video information. Select on the resolution tab to select on the preferred resolution and also the format. And regarding the frame rate, the suggested one is 30 FPS, but you can edit it according to the device preference and the compatibility of it. Once you are happy with all of the settings, just click on Export and Share. This will allow the video to be shared in the platform that you selected. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.